लुटेरा है अगर आज़ाद तो अपमान सबका है, लुटी है एक बेटी तो सम्मान सबका है। कि लुटेरा है अगर आज़ाद तो अपमान सबका है, लुटी है एक बेटी तो सम्मान सबका है। बनो इंसान पहले छोड़कर बात मज़हब की, लड़ो दरिंदों से ये हिंदुस्तान सबका है। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, दिस इज़ फॉर एन स्टूडेंट ऑफ 9th standard टुडे a speech on Independence Day. Independence Day in India observed 50 August every year. It is the national day that is celebrated with pride across the nation. It is the day to commemorate the independence of India. It is celebrated as a day of happiness and feeling proud as India gained independence from the British rule. And many freedom fighters fought for the freedom of our country. And now, because of them, now we are celebrating Independence Day. And they are revolutionary, some of them non-violence, as against the Britishers. The struggle of freedom fighters to make independent country, they did not do everything in the progress of the nation. And due to those great leaders, now we are celebrating and living in a democratic and independent country. And freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc., who initiated the fire among people. And freedom fighters fought for the protection of country from unjust exploitation and the cruelty of British rule. And freedom fighters are the source of inspiration as they teach the value of love for the country and they give sacrifice for the country. So at the last, I would end my speech with a beautiful quote. कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जलकर देख लेना, कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जलकर देख लेना, कैसे होती है हिफाजत मुल्क की, कभी सरहद पर चलकर देख